her teaching. Doesn't look like you have much design on it. What do you think? Take this chair. And we take one here for Richard's teaching. Ladies are for it. Well, because maybe I should take this. What do you think? Red, gold. I think red is not better for a man to give to a woman.
Okay.
Gold given to a woman, gold is much professional. So what did you guys think? Comment below. It's getting gold because I'm kind of like trying to avoid those, lovely color. If it's up to me, I will just pick this lovely color because they are very inviting.
Chips.
Yeah, like chips is kind of like natural that everybody eats the original one, right? I like this one more because this kind of like it gives more how would I say it? It gives more this sticks. No, no more broken ones. This one from my special teachers, purple market. Not at all. I need something like alcohol free because I don't know if they drink alcohol. If not, this we go. I actually don't drink alcohol. I'm taking Frau Brenner. Did you mention Frau Brenner?
Nein.
I'm taking Frau Brenner. I don't know. Oh. There's something on it. I know some of you be like, why is she going extra mile for this? These teachers, these two teachers, they are very special. And as Ashley is going off, this is my only time to appreciate them. Because Ashley is finishing the school there. I will tell you guys stories. But not now. Have you seen somebody that doesn't drink alcohol that buy alcohol? It's me. Oh my god. Look at what they set up here. I believe I can touch the sun. Look at this one. Check it. Favorite milk tea. So do you know we still have a big can of milk tea that we have not opened?
Yeah, it's downstairs.
the size of this. I guess this one is preferable. Really thinking if I should take 2 of this one. Yeah, kind of like this looks more matured. Like you just have it like this.
That's too small.
Oh, that's a small one.
Take the big one. It's on.
Oh, it's the same with this. So that's the big one. I think this one is preferable with this.